What's going on, everyone? Today we're going over the easiest way to buy Bitcoins fast for dummies, for beginners, using Coinbase with a credit card, debit card, bank account, wire transfer, whatever. Let's do it. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the CoinRocket YouTube channel, where we are now boarding for one-way trips to the moon. So if you'd like to join us, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We'll be uploading new videos all the time, and you can stay up to date on the latest. So let's get into the tutorial here. So first of all, you need to click the link in the description, sign up for a Coinbase account. When you buy or sell $100 of Bitcoin or more, you'll get a free $10 of Bitcoin. So, I mean, why not, right? All you have to do, sign up, put in your information, fill out the little CAPTCHA or whatever. Verify that you're 18 years old, and then you'll be able to sign in right away. Okay, and once you sign in, you'll see this beautiful dashboard right here with the lovely Bitcoin price at an even 17.1K. You can get Bcash, Ethereum, Litecoin if you want. You can check how they've been doing recently. Of course, they're all doing insanely well. But if you want to buy or sell Bitcoin or any of the other currencies, all you have to do is first go to your settings page, go to the linked accounts tab, and link a new account. Okay, this is where you can choose to connect to your bank account, debit card, PayPal, or a wire transfer. And once again, you just enter in your information, and you may have to verify that you are the real owner of that account, and then that should only take a few seconds, maybe a few minutes. And once that happens, you can go to your buy/sell tab. Okay, and this is where you'll be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies for US dollars or whichever currency. Okay, so just select your payment method, select the amount. You can enter in a Bitcoin or US dollar amount, let's say $150. And you can choose to repeat this buy, this box at the bottom here. This is an interesting feature that they have where you can basically set up dollar cost averaging. Okay, we'll go over dollar cost averaging in another video, but this is a really good way to be sure that you're buying at a lower price, to be sure that the amount of Bitcoin that you accumulate was overall bought at a low price. Alright, anyway, some of the differences between buying with a bank account or a card are that when you buy with a card, the fees may be a bit higher, okay, but your money is available, or your Bitcoin, I should say, is available instantly, or whichever cryptocurrency you choose to purchase. Okay, so that's useful. However, if you use a bank account, your funds won't be available for about a week. Okay, and you know, let's say you're dollar cost averaging, let's say you're doing a recurring purchase every month or whatever. You know, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna get lower fees by paying through your bank account, and if you don't need to spend your Bitcoins or send them somewhere immediately, then really I think using your bank account is a better option because, as I've said, it has lower fees. And that's it. It's really that easy. Once you've made a purchase, you can check your account section, you can receive any of your currencies or USD directly from the Coinbase website. Remember to leave a like if you liked it, leave a dislike if you hated it, and go ahead and share the video if you loved it. I'm Eli from the CoinRocket, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.